Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Use 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes and 1/2 cup olive oil for this batch. Wash, core, and score each tomato with an X at the bottom, then blanch in boiling water for 30 seconds before shocking in cold water to loosen skins. Peel and halve tomatoes, removing cores and large seeds, and chop coarsely. Reserve 1/2 cup tomato juices after peeling for sauce thinning. Measure 1 teaspoon salt and set aside. Mince 2 cloves garlic and 1 small onion finely for the sauté base. Sauté 1 small onion and 2 garlic cloves in 1/2 cup olive oil until translucent, about 5 minutes over medium heat. Add the chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, stirring to combine. Include the reserved 1/2 cup tomato juices for consistency. Bring to a gentle boil and then reduce to a simmer, uncovered, for 35 minutes to concentrate flavors and evaporate excess liquid. Taste and adjust acidity with 1 teaspoon sugar or 1 tablespoon lemon juice if the tomatoes taste too sharp at the end. Stir in 1/4 cup chopped basil and 2 tablespoons butter off the heat for sheen and balanced flavor. The butter rounds acidity while basil adds freshness. If you prefer a smoother texture, pulse briefly in a blender or use an immersion blender to reach desired consistency. This recipe yields about 4 cups of sauce and serves 4 to 6 people. Warm before serving over pasta. Cool and refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze in 2-cup portions for 3 months. Reheat gently to avoid breaking the sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.